Hey guys, Ryan Salson here, and today I'm going to talk to you about how you can increase the number of leads that you're getting and the quality of leads that you're getting very, very quickly using Google Local Service Ads. If you don't know how to identify your absolute top impression rate, you want to log in to your LSA or Google Local Service Ads account. You want to go into your back office and then go to where the absolute top impression rate is on your platform. The reason why absolute top impression rate is so important is because it actually is a major determining factor for the quality of leads that you're getting. A lot of business owners that I'm talking to, they are frustrated because they are getting leads, but they're just not getting the quality that they want. And what I found is that if you improve your absolute impression rate, meaning you showing up as the absolute top listing on Google Local Service Ads, meaning you're not number 2 or 3, you're the top position, then you're going to get the best leads possible. Because think about it. If somebody's scrolling through on their phone, which is where Google Local Service Ads shows up, is on people's phones when they search for a local business and they type in, let's say, plumber near me, and they see your business at the top, they're going to call or message you first. People are trained to call the top business. We know this from search engine optimization from the years past, that about 60% of the calls actually go to that top business. This is the reason why that top business gets the best leads, because by the time somebody goes down to that second business, all the good leads have already been taken by the business that's actually the top listing, the absolute top listing. Not only do you get more leads, you actually get more quality leads. We've got a really amazing data that shows that if you simply add a way for your message leads and your phone calls to be answered within 30 seconds, you're going to get a significant increase in your rankings. This is the reason why you get more leads and you get more quality leads, okay? So if you're not getting good leads, you want to check your absolute top impression rate. Most likely, if it's below 40% or 50% or even 60%, you have some opportunity for improvement. It's when you get up above 60, 70, 80%, that's when you really start seeing a significant difference in the quality of leads that you're getting. So again, absolute top impression rate is very easily found by logging into your Google Local Service Ads platform. When you do that, you want to see what that percentage is. If it's below 50%, most likely you're not getting the quality of leads that you could if you improve your response rate. You can actually respond to message leads through the LSA or Google Local Service Ads platform, which is not very reliable in terms of letting you know when the inbound lead comes in, or you can get an email. Most people are not checking their emails on a regular basis throughout the day. So the likelihood that you're going to get it within minutes or seconds is not very likely. This is why an AI agent is very important. And what we do is we actually send you a notification so that you immediately will get notified by the AI system. The AI will take over with all the knowledge about your business, responding just like a human would, as quickly as a human would, with no additional training. You train it once, it's done. It's trained forever. And it can respond to not only your message leads on local service ads, but also your message leads on your website and even voice leads.
What is the zip code at the location where the oven is?
I'm actually, I don't know the zip code, but I'm located in Kissimmee.
Okay, no problem. Kissimmee is within our service area, so we can definitely send a technician out to take a look at your oven.
And this is the reason why you want to set it up, is because you can actually not only get more leads, get more quality leads, and you can convert more leads because you're responding very, very quickly. And what happens is our AI agent will let you know immediately when that conversation starts happening with the person. The agent will actually send you a text and or an email that will have a link in it so that you can open up the entire transcript in your browser. You can see what the conversation that the agent is having live, so that you can actually press a button if you want to and take over the conversation, jump into the conversation, turn the AI off, and actually continue with the conversation if you want to. Very powerful technology. Let us know if you have any questions. I really implore you to set up some sort of a system that is not just an automated message. That's an agent that's got a brain, okay, that can actually give knowledgeable responses and do things like schedule a calendar appointment for you, etc. Okay, so let us know if you got any questions. 619-304-5155. You can jump into our school community. We have a new school community where you can learn all about how to optimize your Google local service ads and Google business profile page and how you can optimize your AI. We go live every day and we have a workshop weekly on Wednesdays if you'd like to join us so that you can learn how to build your own AI agent if you want to, or you can have us do it so it's easier, faster, and gets better results, okay? And visit us at accelerateyourmarketing.com. Thank you.